Hi friends, this is a look at these Light My fire steels. These are the larger ones, the ones that are 3/8 inches. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I know the Scouts are the small ones, but uh, these things have been great. I love the newer handles. I've had several of the older ones that were just kind of the more squared off, but this gives you a nice little thumb divot, and the lanyard area is bigger. So I have different leashes on these things. The scrapers, I don't know where that one is, but they also double as a whistle. And I mean, it's reasonably effective. I mean, it's better than not having a whistle. So the scrapers are pretty good. So, and same thing, they got that thumb divot. I'm not going to dig in, I'm inside, but you get the idea. Does just fine with scraping. I tend to prefer these firesteel.com ones. These are old though, so these are just a little bit thicker piece of steel and squared off really, really well. And they're a little smaller, but these serve just fine and do a great job. You can also do the end if you want to. So I think these are great piece of kit, and I'd really recommend them. I think they're some of my favorites. The Light My Fire steels.